Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Rainy Day Unboxing coming right up. Let's go! Okay, so we have here what seems to be a booster of DC Heroclix Batman Team Up set. But don't be fooled, this does not contain DC figures or any of the figures in the set, but it contains my Pasabay items. So, by the way, Pasabay is when two or more players join together, buy items online, and split the shipping cost. Okay, that's to augment the price. Okay, so I usually initiate the Pasabay sessions with other HeroClix players, but for this instance, Sir Julius reached out to me because he had some items to buy online, and I happily joined him, and these are my holes. So, X-Men, oldies but goodies. Okay, so these items I've been searching for the longest time. So finally, in that particular for sale list, they were available. So I was very happy to purchase them. So first and foremost, we have the Gladiator. Okay, this is the LE M15003 Calark, okay, of the Shi'ar Empire. Okay, I do have this sculpt, of course, in the Shi'ar team base, but but the LE figure I don't have. Okay, so happy to have him, and I would say in pristine condition. Okay, the second one is Scarlet Witch. Okay, so M15006 Wanda, also from the team base. Okay, the Brotherhood team base. So the LE, this is the LE version, which I don't have. They can still be used in the team base, but this is harder to find compared to the one in the giant size X-Men set. Okay, so I'm happy she has been secured. And then we also have Miss Marvel, which in recent run was deemed to be a mutant. That's why I'm trying to collect her as well. Okay, great condition. This from the Avengers set. Okay, we have Cloak and Dagger next. Okay, this one was legacied if I'm not mistaken, but I don't have the legacy piece. Ah no, this might not be the one because this is 107. Ah yeah, I think there was a mistake on the legacy card. So not this one, but the other one wherein Cloak was have his hands open. Okay, and Dagger was coming out of him. Okay, but nonetheless, take a look at that sculpt for Cloak and Dagger. Okay. We also have one of the oldies here because the dial is tin. It's the old dial, old base. Okay, but the sculpt is really amazing. You can see here with he is standing on a rock doing an action pose. This is Terax, the Tamer. Okay, so I was reading some Wikipedia, and then it seems like Tyros is a mutant, considered a mutant of his race. The race of, I don't know, what's their race. Okay, let's see. Tyros used his elemental powers to rule over his home city as a tyrant, while he was recruited by Galactus, who sought a new servant with none of the compassion possessed by the former heralds. But Terax's bloodthirsty lust for power drove him to eventually challenge Galactus himself, and like so many others, fall before the Eater of Worlds. Yeah, so I would say Teraxia. Okay, he's a Teraxian mutant. Okay, and finally, we have here Terror 101 from the Deadpool Weapon X set. Heroes for Hire, Detective Monster. Real name is possibly Shrek, not the Shrek from what you call this DreamWorks. Okay, so he has a trait. He won't be needing it when an adjacent standard character is KO'd. Choose a standard power that character could use on any click, and Terror can use that power this game. Special defense power. Does everyone on this team have a healing factor? Terror can use toughness and can use regeneration with minimum result 1. That's always the minimum for regeneration. And color coordinated is the special damage power. Terror can use outwit but only to counter pink powers. Okay. So for 100 points, yeah, old dial from way back. Okay, so once again, thank you very much, Julius, for allowing me to add some more in my collection. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts and the comments. And until the next unboxing. Bye bye!